Block count command. For to count block in drawing, we are going to use srjcad program command called block count. This command can be called through srjcad menu or by toolbar or by command prompt. The short form to call block count command is CNT. When this command is called, block count tab will be opened. We can create block count output as a table inside the drawing, or we can show output in command prompt, or we can export to CSV or text file. Click OK and select an area. The blocks inside the area will be automatically counted, and results are as per the output assigned in Block Count tab. We had assigned Table Output in Block tab. So Block Count table had created inside the drawing.